Hi guys! So today my goal for you guys is to understand when to properly capitalize and punctuate in a sentence. So starting off with capitalization, that is when you capitalize a letter. And so when you're going to want to capitalize is the first word in every sentence. So right after a period, first letter of the new sentence, you're going to want to capitalize that. You're also going to want to capitalize dates, months, holidays, and titles. So like of a book, a magazine, just a title of any sort of literature. Important people, even not important people, just names of people, but you're going to want to capitalize their first, middle, and last name because names get capitalized. And then important places. So if you're talking about like the Statue of Liberty, like you would capitalize that because it is an important place. For punctuation, all sentences need punctuation. They can end in different types of punctuation, such as a period, a question mark, and an exclamation mark. Most sentences end with periods, and you just end a sentence that's just stating a fact. So like, the dog is big, period. There's no questions asked, it's just period. You're going to want to end a question sentence with a question mark, and a good way to know that you're going to end a sentence with a question mark if you're not sure is you can look for question words. So some question words are what, how, why, where, who, and then, those sentences end with a question mark. And then an exclamation mark is when a sentence says something exciting, you're going to want to end it with that. So an example is like, I'm so excited for my birthday. And you can end sentences that end in an exclamation mark with a period. It just depends on how much excitement you really want to show about that. So what I want you guys to do is, at home you can grab a pencil and a paper, and I'm going to read you some sentences to practice punctuation, and you guys are going to tell me, or write down on the paper, which punctuation you're going to use, okay? So you can pause this video, and then when you get your paper, come back. Alright, so the first sentence is, I love my new crayons and book. And then you guys choose what you're going to punctuate. The next sentence is, how old are you? And again, choose what punctuation goes after that. The last one is, there are 5 people in my family. And then choose your punctuation. Now, when you're done with all of that, under that, we're going to do the capitalization practice. So I want you guys to write down a list of all the instances in which you should capitalize. So it's just like the list that I just ran through. Just write down a list of instances in which you need to capitalize and write an example of that. So for a name, there's an answer for you guys. For a name for capitalization, you can literally write down your name, and that would be an A+. So thank you guys for listening to my lesson, and I hope you understand how to capitalize and punctuate better now.